Hello my fellow YouTubers. There's something I want you to notice here. So if you look at my hose, it's a vibrating hose that allows the skimmer to walk around the bottom and suck. Now right now you can see the hose is pulsing. You see waves going out from both sides. And what I like for you to see is when this hose goes to make a circle, look at the waves inside and outside the circle. It reminds me a lot about like our radio transmission. How the waves propagate in the air. So you can see inside it's starting to form a circle. And you can see the waves inside of it now. It's becoming a loop. And now when you have a loop like this, you can see the waves are being pulled to the center. Then you see them radiating out as well. And all them waves is because the oscillation that's going on in the hose itself. Look at that. Look at those waves propagating to the center and then back out again. The whirlpool, like the ether. Think like water. So when you're working with wireless, and you're working with ham or radio transmission, you can see here when there's a closed loop, how everything becomes drawn to the center, and then outside just radiates out. Hopefully you guys can see the waves all radiating out, and the ones on inside the line look like they're heading into what? Into the open space right now, because there's no more closed loop. So you can just see waves radiating out. Pretty cool stuff. Thought you guys might want to see it, especially if you're into the electromagnetism and the propagation of electromagnetic waves in ether. We'll see this thing come up and make a loop again. And you'll see the waves. A little harder to see the waves at night. Well, it's not night, but it is what? 6 o'clock. Sun's heading down. Starting to loop again. Starting to close up the loop. Then you can see everything inside gets a little discombobulated. All right. Let's see here. There we go. Look how all the waves are coming to the center. Interesting. Big old closed loop. Look how it throws everything. So that reminds me of inside my workshop when I put on my Tesla coil, the waves are bouncing off everywhere. All right, peace out. I'll make a video in a little while. Look at those waves. Very interesting. Peace out.